I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to install a vinyl decal, and you might want to stick around to the end. You might be able to get something for free. What is up? This is Wayne from Fade to Black. I definitely appreciate you guys subscribing. Man, if you haven't, smash that subscribe button already. Join the Fade to Black FTV family. I got a minute. I can wait for you. I'm waiting. Hit that subscribe button, click it, touch it with your finger on your cell phone, whatever you gotta do, just click it. All right. Hopefully you clicked it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the easy way to install a vinyl decal. And I just got done fading out this pickup truck. This is a repeat customer. So if you haven't seen the Malibu video, check that video out. I'll leave a link to that video right here. That was her previous car. I did the car before that, and now she brought her truck to me. So I greatly appreciate the repeat business, because without the customers, I know we're nothing. And you know, you got people that are rocking with you, and it feels good when they come back and bring their new vehicles back to you. It's just an awesome feeling. So I just finished fading her out. I put a 5% visor strip on there. We went with 15% fronts, and we went with 5% all around the rest of the crew cab. Now this thing is dark. You will not be able to see her rolling. She's completely faded, and that's what we do here at Fade to Black. But this video is about installing vinyl decals. I'm gonna show you the easiest way that I found to install vinyl decals, because I know a lot of people say, oh, can you put the decal on for me? So you know what, I'll go ahead and throw it on. It's no big deal, because after time, you kind of find methods that work with you. It's like tinting or building houses or anything else you do, you find that method that works. So this decal I also cut out myself, because I have a plotter at my house, so I can cut out decals and do things like that, make some quick signage. So I do that as well. I like to provide that for my customers. If they want a decal, I just throw in a decal, give it to them for free, hook them up. Like I said before, this is the easy way to install. It's called the Hinge Method. With this, you really don't need anything but your razor and a little squeegee and the decal, and you can throw it on. All right, so I keep it pretty simple. I mark the halfway point, the middle point of the decal. I put a piece of tape on it, because that's what I'm gonna use to hold the decal onto the glass before I get it stuck down. I use a squeegee to squeegee down the decal, and I use a razor to trim it out, and a tape measure to make sure I'm in the right spot. That's pretty much all you need to get this decal on the glass. So check it out, let's drop some music, follow along, and check out how I get this thing on there. that's what they call the hinge method. You do hinge it in the middle, you do one side at a time, and then you do the other side, and then you're pretty much done. You gotta definitely keep your tape line, keep your tape stuck on the truck, because if your tape falls off, then your decal's gonna get out of whack. So make sure you have some good tape, get it taped down in the middle, so the decal doesn't move around, and just take your time and do one side at a time, and you should be good to go. Now, if you have a small sticker, of course, you can just stick that on right away. But if you get anything large, you're gonna wanna tape it down and probably do the hinge method, get it measured out, and then you should be good to go. So this is what I'm gonna do. The first 5 people to comment down below, FTB decal, I'm gonna send you an FTB sticker pack, free of charge. I'm just gonna send it out to you. The first 5 people leave comments down below. I'm gonna hook you guys up with the FTB sticker pack for following. I hope you're subscribing, for just being a part of the FTB family. I'm gonna hook you guys up. All right, man, so smash that subscribe button. I got more videos coming. There's only so many hours in a day, but I got more videos coming, trust me. If I can just help out one person, then I feel like I've done something. I feel like it's worthwhile. So give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're up to, let me know what you're doing, let me know what you think about decals. Do you make decals? Do you install decals? Let me know what's up with that. Until next time, stay faded. Thanks for watching. Peace.